All right, so here is my Facebook page, my personal one. If you haven't friended me yet on Facebook, then make sure you do. This is my personal page, and it only shows, you know, really what I want it to show. So it doesn't even see on there any of the other pages that I'm involved with unless I want it to. You need a Facebook account, a personal Facebook account, to create a business page, so you'll need that, but they don't get linked together unless you want to link them together. So for the most part though, they're separate entities. A lot of folks don't want to, they want to keep their personal stuff separate to their business stuff, which I think is great to do that. And so Facebook facilitates that by making it optional to have it onto there. So you'd never really know all of the different Facebook pages that I've got. You wouldn't know any of them just from looking at my personal profile. Okay, so there, it's not on there at all. You basically just see that I'm addicted to alcohol and wine in particular, and love driving Porsches. That's really all you can tell from my Facebook page. Oh, and I go out a lot. So that kind of really does that. So Melissa, don't worry about it. It's all unlinked unless you want to link it and show that it's done. So if we go over to the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs page, for instance, here it is. Now, so you can't really tell anything about Neil-Asher from that, unless I wanted to say on there, for instance, that I was the page owner. I could do that, but I don't, for no real reason. It's just that I just haven't done it that way, so it's not linked up at all. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.